Okay, so this is my 2004 Chevy Suburban Z71 four-wheel drive, and I'm putting a torsion key lift on it, and I put some 2.5-inch spacers on the coil springs in the back. Those are already in, and I'm making this video to show everybody that if you cannot get your keys out, that you're gonna have to cut them out like I did. I had to slit both of them. And here's the new key. Make sure you have a torsion key removal tool to do this. And you'll see on the passenger side here that all you have is that little hole there to get your air hammer up in there to push the bar forward. And you see when I slit the torsion key, I have to weld that back together and weld that. I just did the other side a little bit ago. That side's done. It's all anti-seize put back together. And if you don't have any of this stuff, anti-seize, PB blaster, a torch, some MAP gas, and a welder, air hammer, and some nice Milwaukee M18 fuel tools, well, you're gonna have a hard time getting this stuff out. This took me all day because of Illinois rust. And all I gotta do is weld that back together, put some anti-seize on there, put the new key up in here, slide the torsion bar back. That side I already put anti-seize on the front for the lower control arm. That's good to go. And yeah, I just figured I would make this video and kind of just let everybody know what they're getting into. And this goes the same for Tahoe, Suburbans, Yukon XLs, four-wheel drives. On the driver's side, torsion keys right there. You got this brace that goes across for the, I'm guessing for the gas tank. Well, there's your gas tank right there, and you have to fit the air hammer up in that small hole up there to try and push that arm, that bar forward. So, like I say, if you don't have any of these tools, all I have to say is good luck. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, what force, what have yous, what other tools I used, just let me know. Thanks.